Y'all see my latest product I got from Amazon. It's black. It's on the side of the refrigerator. It's a magnetic spice rack. And I have my UGG glove hanging on there, and it also has hooks for your serving spoons and utensils. I got some seasonings on this one, and then I got the one it came. I had bought the combo. It comes with the paper towel roll, and up top, the bigger one. It's the whiter one. I have the 18-ounce spices up here on top, and a little bitty old roasted cinnamon there. No space unused. Yep, I need to dust up there, but who's caring? I'll show y'all all my dirt. All my damn dirt. But anyway, just sharing. Now I'm about to show y'all my damn homemade deep dish sweet potato pie. Now this here is my homemade deep dish sweet potato pie. Well, Janita, why don't you ever show us how you make them? Because this ain't no damn cooking channel. This is Janita's Craft Creations, blah, 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 shopping. And sometime I do food. Sometime I'll say what I put in my food. Sometime I share stuff. Look at my dang food diary or my playlist. Look at my playlist. You'll see some foods I cook, barbecue and stuff like that. And I show some seasoned meats. I know some things I share, some things I don't, but I did make this pie because look, it's in, see my little burn up little pan right there, see the burn on it, and there go my brand new serving spoon there. And here's the slice of pie I already ate off, already eaten. Merry Christmas, it's Christmas morning. I'm in the kitchen preparing getting ready to make some potato salad. And this is this pot is my peach cobbler filling. And this is my slice of pie that I'm about to finish eating. Look how creamy smooth that baby look. Look at that homemade crust. Yes, this is homemade crust and homemade pie filling. I'm on a roll. I started cooking from scratch more as I got older. I didn't do any of this when I was younger because I had sisters older than me. I did the cooking. Well, when I was at home, I had an older sister when we were younger that was in the kitchen. I didn't ever learn how to cook when I was younger. I found out later, much later, and boy did I make mistakes. Didn't know anything. I once baked a turkey that I didn't know that you're supposed to wash it, take the stuff out the damn turkey body. I just put that thing in the oven. I didn't know. When you don't know, that's kind of stuff happened. And when the turkey was done, big old sack of the gizzards and the neck still in the sack that was stuffed in this cavity was in the turkey. I don't remember if we ate it or not. I don't even know if it got done because, like I said, I was not a cook. Also, I'm going to share, this is my homemade butter dinner rolls I made yesterday. I was on the roll. Ha ha ha. But anyway, just came in here just to share this a little bit. Hope y'all having a Merry Christmas despite all this COVID craziness going on. And President Trump holding up the damn check, coming here with his foolishness, talking about he want to give us $2,000. That fool lying off his drawers. And he knows it. You know damn well he had plenty of time to offer $2,000. Now the Republicans don't even want to give us that little $600. Now how the hell you talking about Scrooge? This man worse than Scrooge. I can't stand him, and I'll be so happy when his ass is out of our White House, and when Biden take over. And I hope Georgia come through so we can run that Senate and we get all the money and all the benefits we need and deserve. And forget all you people talking about go work. Yeah, people work, you idiots. They might not be making as much money as you, but yes, people work and they don't make a lot of money and they need help. And that's what the government is for, you fools that think that people don't deserve handouts. Give me all the goddamn handouts I can get and I deserve, and I don't care, and I'm not ashamed. If I was getting food stamps, I'll be happy. It buys food stamps, that's what it means, fools. Y'all don't understand. Look, I done went on a rant with a happy Merry Christmas meal I shared with y'all just a few seconds ago. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and me sharing part of our Christmas dinner. Because now I haven't even showed the meat. I don't even know if it's going to be in this video. Right now, I think I'm just going to throw this up and maybe I'll come back later showing the rest of our meal. But right now, I just had to get that out because I didn't share that yesterday about that funky man stopping and not signing the papers. We could be getting them damn checks Monday, said Mnuchin ass. Y'all know Mnuchin, he the nigga, did I just, well, anyway, it slipped out and said it. He the fool ass man in charge of the damn treasury. So he said we should be getting our checks by Monday, but if Trump ass don't sign and get that paper, I don't know what we gonna do. Yeah, I'm fussing. If anybody's ears is too sensitive for what I say on my goddamn channel, then bye. Y'all don't watch this shit any goddamn way. And I'm just feeling free in my spirit to say anything I want to say right about now and forever. And y'all that love my channel and support me, thank you very much. And I will be coming around regularly as soon as all this, probably in the new year. I don't know what I'm going to do in the new year, but I'll be supporting my people that come and support me. Because you know, you come, I support. You come to my channel, I go to your channel. That's all it is. You don't come to my channel, I don't go to your channel. What? That's how it go. And if you do come to my channel, you probably ain't watching but a second of my video, and then you don't even have the nerve to give me a freaking like. Yeah, I'm still fussing. And on top of that, I'm still coming to your channel, and I am watching your video, and I am liking it, and I might even give a shout out if I feel like it. But y'all don't do me right, but I'm still gonna get my blessings. I said, Lord, let me be a blessing to others, and I'ma stay blessed. I might fuss a lot, but I'ma stay blessed, because I'ma still bless people by watching their dang video and thumbsing it up, regardless of the situation of how. I don't know, maybe this guy got something else in store for me. That's why I don't know why things is going like it's going on my channel. Maybe this is not something the Lord wants me to do. I don't know why somebody can just make it in a few months, and a lot of us are others like me are struggling year after year trying to get on top, meaning trying to be monetized. So I guess like some say, don't think about it, it'll just happen. Yeah, it's taking forever, but I don't know, you gotta have that one video, I guess, to get you there. But I'm gonna quit worrying about this shit, because YouTube right now is just a space now. I'm just gonna come in here and just share how I feel about stuff, and just let me be free in my thoughts and my ideas, my opinions, and what matters to me. Whether somebody is paying attention or not, I don't care no more. I'm just gonna come on here and say whatever and do whatever. But one thing I ain't gonna do is try and fit into some damn clothes I can't fit into, because I've been seeing some videos that don't make no damn sense. Some of these, yeah. Okay, am I criticizing somebody else's? Okay, that's one thing I'm gonna let y'all know. Really, do not ever criticize how somebody run their channel. I learned that the hard way. If you ain't got something nice to say, don't say nothing at all, unless you just want to be messy. And sometimes you might feel like being messy. It's just like sometimes you just can't control it. So like, what today might be my day when I talk about big girls trying to squeeze in the clothes that don't fit their body, and they got the nerve to make a video about it. I guess that's just a view, and it's scandalous, and it's crazy as hell, so you will get watched when you do stuff like that. So that's entertainment, folks. When big girls trying on clothes that don't fit, that's just entertainment, and they getting views and subscribers out the Zuzu. So, but my old ass, now I ain't coming on here trying to try on clothes I can't fit. I do have a video. I did come on here in my underwear in one of them videos a while back, and I just look, I said, dang, I'm big. But anyway, I'm still big, and today I might put on a few pounds because I got pie and cobbler, potato salad, ribs, rolls. What we having? Barbecue chicken and some baked beans. So yes, these carbs gonna stack on 5 pounds. Yes. And then the next day, God, please let me control myself. And I know I have to, because other than that, I will get ill. And if anybody else in that category like me, when you eat too much sweet or whatever, get sick, you gotta control yourself, gotta watch your figure, whatever left of it. Yeah, but anyway, I guess that's all the fussing and the ranting and the raving I have today. Like I said, have yourself a merry little Christmas. Hope you take care while you out in them corona streets buying boots, shoes, dresses, and who's and hows that you don't need right now. You just trying to get somebody sick because you don't give a damn, like I said in my previous video. God bless y'all, and God have mercy on y'all soul if y'all just deliberately out there trying to infect somebody with that damn virus. Okay, peace.